Is it recording, Dan?
Mm.
Okay, right, so when the battery's off, I'm going to check to see if there's any fuel going through to the spark plugs. So I'm taking that connector off. It's off. Take that off. And undo the bolts that holds the coil pack off. Just two little bolts. I'm not very good at how to do, but you know, I get there. So, you know, it's only two bolts that holds this thing on. And the coil pack connects to the spark plugs. This is a good coil pack. It's nearly new. It's tested, so it should work. They tend to crack up. The aftermarket ones don't bother with. They're just not worth the while. So that just pulls off the spark plugs and it just like sucks off. And we have access to the spark plugs. However, whoa, there's no spark plugs. There is no spark plugs in there. Oh dear. Like I say, I'm into modding and I must have used them spark plugs somewhere. However, please stop the video.